Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited about this one. You guys know that I love this natural kinky looking hair, and nowadays the hairlines they come out with, like, it's insane. As you guys can see, this hairline looks so natural. Like, actually, like, the edges are like, oh my god, I absolutely love them. And if you're wondering, this wig is from Ilike Hair Company. This is not the first time I'm trying their wig. I have actually tried their wig before, and like, this one is totally amazing. Like, you can see, the density of the wig is just insane. And what sells this wig for me is just the hairline. The hairline is so beautiful. It looks so natural, and it's really long. I think I got 22 inches, but it's pretty long for a 22 inches wig. But this density is really nice. I really like it. And with this kind of wig, you can style it in so many different ways. The fact that it looks natural, you can just braid it, you can do a middle part, a side part. Like, I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm gonna do like a braid and stuff for you guys to see. Like, but at the moment, I'm really loving this wig. As always, I'm gonna put all the specs and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. And this is what the wig looks like. And the wig comes with all those clips to help secure the wig when you wear it. As you guys can see, the wig looks so natural. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the hairline, on the lace, to give it a more natural look. And then I'm going to cut the spare lace on the back of the wig. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So as you guys can see, the lace is so natural. Like, it looks so clear and natural. So next, I'll go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but Then I'll go ahead and spray my beard head spray. After that, I'll tie a scarf and leave it to dry for about 10-20 minutes. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to spray a little bit of water on the hair. I want to moisturize it, so I'm going to spray a little bit of water on the hair, and I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'll apply my hair serum. So after that, I'm just gonna take off the hairband. As you guys can see, the hairline looks so natural. So first of all, I've decided to do a middle part. Like I said, you can style it anyhow you want it. And of course, I'm going to use my hot iron as well to lay the middle part in very well.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the dark.
And this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it looks like my natural hair, so long, like it looks amazing. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do a side parting.
Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. And then I'm going to do a half up, half down style.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here.
And after that, I decided to pack the hair. As you guys can see, it looks so lovely. And then, of course, I'm going to show you guys how I braided the hair. You know I'm going to braid it. I love braiding it.
Soul rise from the darkness to the light. I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And as you guys can see, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hair, this wig. It looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing and sharing, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.